What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this 2025 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This client came in for what I consider the absolute most important category that we have right now, and that is dash cameras. It is crazy to me that people are still driving around without cameras in their vehicle to be able to protect themselves for any kind of incident, whether it be an accident, anything crazy happens to your vehicle. You're hopefully able to get it on camera while the vehicle's parked. Just any kind of proof to take your liability away from yourself. It's just so important. And the little bit of money these things cost, it's just really, in my opinion, the most important thing a vehicle can have nowadays. So just wanted to go over what we did on this particular vehicle, so bring you guys, attention as much as I can, and make a ton of dash cam videos because that's how much I believe in these things. So to start, this vehicle received a Momento M8 camera. It's the front and rear system. We offer dash cameras in a couple different ways. You can do a front only, a front and rear, or a front, rear, and interior. So this particular one got front and rear, so just wanted to show you everything on it, how it works, how it looks. And then if you guys want anything like this, we definitely encourage you guys to come out. I can go over options with you in the store between budget and features, and if you decide to get it done, we can usually do it same day. This client came in yesterday, later in the afternoon. We were able to get him scheduled first thing this morning and get it knocked out for him. So on the rear of the vehicle here, you can see right next to the factory camera, we were able to install ours, nice and clean. You can see the wires are nice and hidden. You don't see anything in the vehicle itself. It's a real clean install. And then for the front facing camera, we mounted this on the windshield where they typically go. On the left side of the rear view mirror, you can see how low profile this is. The wire runs nice up in the headliner and out of the way. We didn't have to cut anything. And when you're looking out the windshield, you can barely even notice this thing. So the way that it works, anytime the vehicle is parked, if it senses motion, front or rear, it's going to wake up and start recording. And then the whole time you're driving, these cameras are going to be recording. So again, if you get into an accident, it's not your fault. This is such a minimal cost to be able to take liability off of you and not have to fight between the person that caused the accident, their insurance company. It's an absolute disaster. If you've been involved in an accident, you know the nightmare that it can be, and usually always is. So this takes care of all of that headache. So again, guys, please reach out to me if this is something you want. You can reach me at 610-328-0301. Thank you, guys.